Topping news, the government will roll out its free testing pilot here in the capital on Saturday. The announcement from the office of the Prime Minister today. Coupled with that, reinforcements are being brought in to assist in the COVID-19 fight as COVID-19 numbers spurred on by the Omicron variant increase. Keishla Adderley leads us off tonight.
Come Saturday, you can find out your COVID-19 status free of charge. Press Secretary in the Office of the Prime Minister, Clint Watson, made the announcement today.
Residents must register at covidtest.gov.bs beginning tomorrow. You can log on and begin registering for your free testing here in the Providence to be tested at our sites. Now we're going to begin on Saturday with Kendall Isaacs Gymnasium and Malia. And of course, Kendall Isaacs Gym will be in the form of a drive-through where you drive up, you take your test, and you're on your way. For those of you who are having symptoms, you're going to do testing at the South Beach Clinic, which will reopen this week as well. All right, South Beach Clinic will be up and running again, and that site does not require prior registration as the other sites do. This is the first time of this magnitude, and this is why we're very excited about this. It's been undertaken since the start of the pandemic. There's been no free testing program in the country, and so the Davis-Cooper administration is extremely happy to deliver on this promise.
The test will be rapid antigen tests to be followed up with PCR testing should there be a positive result. The goal is to turn out 400 tests daily. Officials note it won't, however, be an opportunity for persons to take repeated tests to meet testing requirements for work, for example. Meantime, as COVID-19 numbers were recorded at 375 Tuesday and have hit daily numbers as high as more than 400 within the last month, the government is responding with the erection of tents at the Princess Margaret Hospital and new doctors and nurses to help lighten the load on a strained system.
We've also reached out to 12 Bahamian doctors who will be engaged to support the staff at the Princess Margaret Hospital. And 50 nurses are expected from Cuba by next week to assist in the fight.
The government is also settling some outstanding grievances with the Bahamas Nurses Union. Money owed to nurses and doctors is to be paid.
We're happy to report they will be paid this week. Some of them have already gotten money in their accounts. Others will be getting it this week. Nurses will get that lump sum. And that, no doubt, is an added incentive for them to be on the front line during this heightened period for the nurses. So we're happy for that. Dr. Darville said he and Prime Minister will be meeting with Doctors Union next week to be able to address their concerns and their remuneration packages to get money to them.
Health officials are due to hold another briefing next week as they continue to update the public on the continued changing face of COVID-19. Keishla Adderley, ZNS Network News.
If you missed anything, we've got you covered. Subscribe to our ZNS Network YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for breaking news, live event coverage, web exclusives, and much more.